Yeah. So doing an unboxing. Yeah. Jordan 312. So this is a hybrid Jordan. They mixed up Air Jordan 1 and Air Jordan 3. It has elements of Air Jordan 1 and Air Jordan 3. Well, the Chicago has an area code called 312, so it's inspired by Chicago's area code. And also some people say it was designed by Don C, who's from Chicago, but actually like Don C just have like a colorway, only a colorway. He didn't design the whole shoe because like even Tinkerfield has his own 312, and that's that. Yeah. So yeah, it's inspired by the Chicago's area code 312, and then they meshed up like two Jordans, a Jordan 3 and a Jordan 1. And also, what's that? And a Nike something. There's this other Nike super. I forgot the name of the Nike. So yeah, this box is from Shesha Lifestyle.com. They sell like premium sneakers in South Africa. Yeah, so let's a bubble plastic there for the protection. So yeah, oh, they give me some nice stickers. So yeah, let's see the Jordan. Let's see the Jordan. Run the Jordan. Says 10 US. So basically it says 9 in South Africa. I mean in UK it says 9 in UK. Legacy 312 low. Some people hate this Jordan, but like I prefer it. I think it's like the dopest, one of the dopest Jordans out there. I prefer like Jordan from 1 up until 30, but like from this I made an exception. So yeah, here it is. Here's the Jordan. Here's the Jordan. Here's the Jordan. So it has, like I said, it has elements of an Air Jordan 3 and then elements of Air Jordan 1. So what's the most distinctive part is like the sole. The sole is from an Air Jordan 3, and also this elephant print is from an Air Jordan 3, and the toe tag also from an Air Jordan 3, but the swoosh is from Air Jordan 1, and also the toe panel here is from an Air Jordan 1. And this strap, I don't know, this strap, they just added a strap there, and then the wings logo from an Air Jordan 1. So yeah, that's it mostly. This is the Air Jordan 312 Legacy. So I like the colorway because like it's a braid. I've always wanted like a braid, like yeah, this is a braid. Braid basically means like black and red. So there's the whole thing about it. The whole soul is from an Air Jordan 3. And yeah, this is, let me see another this is it, eh? Air Jordan. So basically the Jordan's logo on an original Air Jordan 3, there's no Air Jordan logo. It's Nike Air on the sole here. It's Nike Air, because like from Air Jordan 1, 2, 3 they didn't have like any Air Jordan logo. It was just the wings logo. Anything else, there wasn't that. It was only this, because like Jordan made the jump, I think in 89 or something, somewhere there. So only then did they get the logo. But even then, from like Air Jordan 1 up until 6, the 7 is the only one that had like the Air Jordan. I mean the Jumpman logo is the only one that had the Jumpman logo, if I'm not mistaken. And then after 2001, the Jordan brand decided to make like the Jumpman logo on every Jordan. So after 2001, they put the Jumpman logo on every Jordan that was there, from the Air Jordan 1 to the 2 and the 3. So yeah, this is it, the Air Jordan 312. So let me do like a fitting of this. Let's see how it is on the shoe, on the feet. Let's see how it fits, because this is awesome. Yeah, the strap is actually like, it's actually nice. Actually, the strap is actually nice, eh? And also like, I don't know, but like Jordan brand can do something on this paper, because like this paper only has like 23. Maybe like they could write like messages or something on this paper, just like Adidas with the Superstar. They had like messages on this paper. That was nice. I like that. So the Jordan brand could also do like something like that. I don't know, like they do that on other Jordans or what, but like the Air Jordan 1, they didn't have that. So yeah, let me show you guys like how does this like this sole, I mean this toe panel looks like that one of an Air Jordan 1. Let me show you quickly. So this is the toe panel of an Air Jordan 1. So like the leather here is not similar to this one. This one is a bit soft, and this one is a bit like leather. This one seems more like a plastic sort of material, like it's a bit soft. So it's definitely going to crease here, because of like the leather is a bit soft. And so like this is it, the toe panel is exactly like it. You can see with this panel here and this one, and even like this dots around here is like the same thing. That's how they like look alike. So yeah, let me do a fitting. Ooh, jeez. Okay. Hey, this seems like huge, but like it actually fits me quite nice. Even though like it's a bigger size, cause like I wear an 8, so like this is a size 9, but like the room is, it doesn't feel like that much. It's just okay. It's a bit nice and comfortable. It's a bit nice and comfortable. So ooh, this fit nicely. This fit nicely, guys. This fit nicely.
When you order, did you just say you ask for number? I mean, size 8 or size 9?
Well, actually, like size 8 is like they only had like size 9.
Oh, so then you took it.
Why I took like size 9, because like no. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. This is how it fits. So yeah, guys, that was the Air Jordan 312 unboxing and a bit of review. Hopefully, like, you learned something about the history of this sneaker. Yeah. Well, actually, it really doesn't have that much of like a history, because like it's like a new shoe. So yeah, Don C has like his own colorway, but some people say like he designed the whole shoe, but that's not the case, because like even Tika Fells has like his own colorway. So Don C didn't design the whole sneaker, but rather has his own colorway only. Yeah, so this is it. 312, Chicago's area code.
Inside, yeah.
Yeah, it's the bread. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.